Hello guys, welcome back to Shiko. So let's start with the third lab of our skill batch, Inspect Rich Documents with Gemini Multimodality and Multimodal RAG. The third lab is Multimodal Retrieval Augmented Generation using the Gemini API Vertex. So let's start the lab. Click on the Start Lab button. So as you click on the Start Lab button, this kind of dialog box appears. So you have to launch this lab with 5 credits. So you require 5 credits for this lab. Click on Launch with 5 credits. The timer will start and you have this option Open Cloud Console. Now make sure you perform this lab so open the incognito mode. After opening the lab, you will see this kind of screen. Click on this I understand. Click on this checkbox and click on agree and continue. You can access the Google Cloud Console. So over here in this left panel, you have Vertex AI. Under the heading Notebooks, you have Workbench. So open the Workbench. As the Workbench gets opened, beside this instance name, you have Open Jupyter Lab Notebook option. So click on this and open the Jupyter Lab Notebook. As the notebook gets opened, in the left panel, you have some files present. Open the Intro Multimodal RAG file, double click on it and open it. As the file gets opened, this kind of dialog box appears. Without making any changes, just keep it as it is, which is Python 3, IPy kernel, local, and click on select. After selecting the kernel, come down. Under the heading Define Google Cloud Project Information, you have project ID and location. So you have to replace your project ID and location. For that, come back to the manual. Come to task 2, set up the notebook. Over here, you have your project ID and location. So copy your project ID. Paste it over here. Copy the location. Paste location over here and you're good to go. Now come back to the very first cell. You can run the cell either by pressing this button, or you can press just this button, or you can just press shift and enter. So press shift and enter and run the cell. Click OK. Now run all the cells present inside this file. So just press shift and enter and run the cells. you will see the cell number as the cell completes running, and you will get the output as well. So as all the cells are complete, you will check it. Come back to the manual. Check your progress from task 2. You will surely get the green tick and also the marks. Make sure you get 100 on 100 over here. It may take some time to get loaded, but you will surely get all the marks. Come back to task 4. Check your progress. Come back to task 5. Check your progress. Come to task 6 and check your progress. Check your progress for all the tasks and make sure you get a green tick. You will surely get the green tick without any error. If you encounter any type of error, just try to perform the lab 1 or 2 times more. You will surely get 100 on 100 and all the green ticks. So this was our lab. Thank you. Bye bye. Happy learning.